Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples throughout the Gospels and the book of Acts of the Holy Spirit. So if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with at least one person. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 8 from verse 1 to verse 4. After Jesus come off of the mountain, one bag of people follow him. Then one man now come to Jesus. He did have one sickness we make his skin fussy. The man got down on his knee in front of Jesus and say, Lord, if you want to cure me and make me clean, you have the power to do it. Jesus stretched out his hand, touched the man, and said, I want you to get clean. Go on, you're better now. And same time, the man's skin get clean. Then Jesus said to him, say, make sure, say you not tell nobody, but galanga one priest and make him see you. Carry the sacrifice where Moses law say you figure when your skin get better. That we show everybody say you're all right now. And God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.